Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So I'm so excited because I'm finally unboxing part of my Alibaba order that I shipped from China using my box logistics. So I chose air shipping because it's much faster, and I'm happy to say I collected this package on the 13th of July 2026. So this is the only first ship. The rest of my products are expected to arrive on the 16th of July 2026. So make sure you follow or subscribe because I'll be doing another exciting unboxing soon. So of course, my friends, like this was my first time ever using the China route because I've been shipping from US now. For China, like I had to search different kinds of companies for me to finally come up with the final shipping company that I chose. Okay, so these are the products that I received. So like I'm supposed to receive other products which have not yet arrived. Okay, so I received about 5 boxes. So I'm super excited, my friends. Like I was testing, and finally by God's grace, like everything just fall into place and everything came. Like, oh my God, I'm so happy and excited at the same time. Yes, as you can see, these are the boxes and everything was intact. Like I loved everything about it, everything was flawless. Okay, so that is the other box, as you can see, and I'm so happy, my friends, because usually buying online you might find that maybe things go missing. You have other thoughts like maybe my products won't come, but oh my God, like God made it possible. Yeah. Okay, so of course I'll be unboxing. Okay, so look forward to another exciting unboxing soon because there are other products which didn't come. So the first item actually is the digital mean scale. Okay, so the digital mean scale, this is just for personal use when I'm making skincare and hair care formulations. And of course accuracy is very important, so this will be really helpful. Okay, and of course the other one is more for my friend who is also into cosmetic formulation. So if you are into the business of jewel, these are good scales that will actually give you a precise measurements. Okay, so if this is something that you would love, you can just DM me. Okay, yes, so that is how there are some of us who always use some spoons like eyeballing. You're not supposed to do that. You're supposed to use accurate, precise measurements. But of course I had a scale which was not giving me accurate measurements, so this one comes in very handy. And of course you can use it for formulations. If you are into formulation, like you want to make sure that all your DIY formulations, or maybe you are making your products at personal level, please make sure that you use accurate scales. So the next, another package that I love most next that we are doing is the microphone, my friends. Microphone, and I'm actually using this microphone. Like the sound is quality, so I bought it actually just for personal use to improve quality over YouTube videos, TikTok, and of course the product demonstrations, and for better content for you. Okay, so if you'd like to have this microphone, you can DM me and you can make orders. Okay, so this is an authentic microphone that we can use for videos. Okay, TikTok, YouTube, podcast, a lot of uses. See, so it's very beautiful and authentic, and it has also the port for the phone, like Type-C, and also for next of course on the box it wasn't showing what was inside. However, like my heart was like, oh my God, what could be in this box? Okay, so of course I was so excited, my beautiful my friends, because This specifically, I bought them for sale. Okay, so this is the Medicube peeling mask. Okay, that is designed to give you that exemplary face, look smooth and looking brighter. Okay, and there are only few pieces, as you can see, like very legit and very authentic. I was so happy, my friends, like, oh my god, I was so happy. Just look at how they look like. So you can actually DM me if you want to purchase this product. Okay, yes. So next is the beauty of Joseon sunscreen, one of the most popular Korean sunscreen. It's lightweight and it makes your skin look so flawless and brighter, protecting your skin from UV damage. Okay, so sunscreen is one of the most important product in your routine, so you don't have to skip sunscreen. So of course there are 3 boxes in this box, as you can see. So this sunscreen actually has been working wonders for my skin, and there are so many reviews about this sunscreen. Like, it doesn't leave a white cast like most sunscreens. It sinks in your skin, protecting your skin from damage. Okay, and I was so happy because everything was authentic and it looked so professional. As you can see, like, there was no complaint like of whatsoever, because everything came perfectly and the packaging was very good. So now we are unpackaging the 345 cream, another Korean skincare product that many like and ask about. So of course, you know, there are different kinds of brands of 345. There's the Dr. Aretha, and this one from another company direct from the warehouse. Okay, it's one thing that I learned. So thank you so much for watching. DM me if you want to purchase.